sayang, Pekanak sang perintas, hai diri, Raja Sintang Agus Daci, no counter nang telemon, idola sesungguhnya, air maya, seorang amutan, mana suaranya?
Alright, on my right side is administration of office IKM. On my left side is dealing of IKM. And also we have guest room.
IKM LUMUT started operating in 1977. It was inaugurated by YB Tuan Haji Abu Manan bin Uthman, Malaysia Minister of Industry on 23 June 1979. At the initial stage, there were only 3 majors that were conducted at IKM LUMUT. IKM LUMUT is located in Bandar Seri Manjung. It is in the settlement area Manjung District Government Office. The area of the site is 46 acres.
This is co-op. We can buy anything at here, such as drink, snacks, and something else, or personal item, or shower at the IKM. Yeah, it's this.
This is a gymnasium, a place where students want to do an exercise and release their stress after a class finish. Computer, lab and library. Facilities given to students to make it easy for students to do assignment or find information.
Okay, this is our library in IKM.
This is most IKM that has many facilities such as toilet, bedroom, and comfortable place to worship for students and lecturers. This is cafeteria to buy our meal for student, lecturer, and someone else.
Foundry Technology Certificate area.
This program offers theory-based and practical skill training in the field of foundry technology that cover the work of forming various types of pattern based on drawing, design, and forming mold, sand, or either compound. Graduate will also be skilled in operating various types of furnaces as well.
This is DCP. The knowledge and training learned include manual and component electrical engineering drawing, AutoCAD, practical work and electrical wiring, as well as single and three-phase electrical integration, principle of operation and repairing electrical circuit, whether an analytical circuit of digital circuit. Understand the job. This is SSP. This program includes the correct method and technique in the preparation of electrical drawing, such as building plan drawing, building circuit drawing, complete construction drawing, electrical wiring drawing, pipeline and drainage system drawing, and perspective drawing. Students will also be introduced to building model building work. This is SLR, based on theory and practice in the field of mechanical engineering technology design, which include the basic technique of technical drawing, geometry and mechanical engineering, using fabrication method and computer software.
And this is a diploma of smart manufacturing. This is building engineering area. This department Diploma Technology Computer Big Data.